Hi everyone, I am back with the Aliexpress haul giveaway, the one that you have been waiting for. If you would have seen the video when I put it up, all you had to do was use one of my links, buy some items from Aliexpress, and each item you bought, you would get an entry into this giveaway. Let me show you what's up for grabs. It is a really lovely giveaway. We have some of this gorgeous lace, which has got childless hairs on, I'm afraid. 3 packs of these lovely stickers, which they are adorable. We've got loads and loads of dies. You've got a doily die. This makes a little handbag, little charm. You've got the dummy or pacifier die, a bow, lovely lacy bow. The other bow, which is more of a plainer bow. Some layered ornate labels, tabs, some tab dies. You have a lovely Alice in Wonderland stamp set, which I have another one of these to give away in another giveaway. And I also have these lovely tag stamps and the baby die. So that's what's up for grabs. So let me get my list of people that took part, and what I've done is every item you've bought, I've given you an entry for each. So the numbers are from 1 to 352, and what I've done is I have I don't know if you can see this, it's just the Google number generator, and I've put in 1 to 352. Stop that right now. I'm so sorry, he was having a moment. So I've put in from numbers, stop it now, 1 to, stop it, this is a big moment for everybody. From numbers 1 to 352, and excuse my light in there, we're going to press generate, and what number do we get? 313. So 313 is, oh, it's the lovely Jane Taylor. As you can see, oops, right, there's the number it generated, 313. And if you can see here, Jane Taylor was 305 to 316. So well done, Jane. If you could email me your address details to craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com. I will get all of these in the post to you. How exciting. I will be doing another one of these Aliexpress giveaways very, very soon. Probably not this month now. Don't forget, I'm also doing the subby challenge. I need to add some more things onto that, so I will be back in a couple of days to add some more to that and show you what's up for grabs. If you want to take part, we only have 1 entry so far, so you need to get your entries in. Right, I'm going to go and pack all this up, and thank you so much everyone for taking part. Well done, Jane. It's Jane Taylor, well done. And yes, thank you all for playing, and see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.